Next is the title generator. This is very handy if you need catchy, beneficial, question-minded titles. So for this whole all the videos, I'm gonna show you how I work with it. I'm gonna use Drain King's Plumbing, not a client of mine, but he's far away in the ranking, so I can't help him. And he lives in Fort Worth, Texas. So you see here the address, phone number, the website, the maps, and the iframe and what I'm gonna use now is I'm gonna use this like a keyword. Plumbing is the keyword. The name is Drain King's Plumbing, but I say plumbing, Fort Worth, Texas. So I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna show you how this works in English. And I have variations: general, call to action, benefit focused, question titles, urgency. The plumber is always urgent, right? Problem solving, and hotels and restaurants is right now it's a prompt I created. So you're gonna have it's based on analyzing a lot of titles for hotels and restaurants. So there will come more in this title style, but for now we only have hotels and restaurants. This is in a way broad, but it already gonna give you some good titles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna generate 10 variation titles. You can choose between 10, 25, 50, 100. And here you're gonna see what you're gonna have. You can download them, you can copy them, and do whatever you want with it. So for this, I'm gonna copy them, and I'm gonna paste them in my my notepad for now, because later on I'm gonna use this to work with the content editor, the build scatterer, and the article generator. Okay, we go to the AI keyword generator. It's different than the title generator, of course, but we can go, for example, to can keep plumbing, and we stay in English 20 keywords, I go for 10, and I just put them all on so you can see what it is. Homeowners, right? We're gonna say industry services. So there we go, generate keywords. Takes some time. And here they are. So what you have now, it's different than titles, right? It gives you an idea what it is: navigational, transactional, informational, and you can see image services is transactional. The best. These are things what gives you an idea. You can say, okay, select all and use 10 in bulk generator, then it goes automatically. You go to the bulk generator, what we're not going to do now. I'm going to copy them all and I put them in plumbing in my notepad. But we go on, we're going to go to the next. This is for me a little bit the same for, how you say, for to organize, prepare a link building gig. So we go to authority link research. What this is gonna do is, let's say I'm gonna put in plumbing. No idea if you see something United States, right? So maybe we can do, let's see if something is an authority link we can find about plumbing Fort Worth in Texas. Because with this is local link building, of course, in this case. You have to be as much as possible in the same area. So let it search for authoritative sources. Gonna take a while. If there is nothing, oh, here it comes already. Well, you have your home guide. Let's see what it says. This is find plumbers. So it's a lot of uh, plumbers in Fort Worth. Well, this is maybe something, maybe a tip, or maybe you already knows. If that client is already in here, take the link, go to it, take the link and use it as an authority link because it's from home guide. For the rest, I have no idea if there is something in between. But sometimes, you are in a niche where you don't have really authority links. But this is very handy to have. In this case, I'm not going to use it, but it gives you an idea of what this authority link research is going to do for you. Okay, that's the top three: title, AI, and authority link research.